guests, we have just landed at Daniel Z. Romualdez Airport. We're pleased to inform you that we have landed 33 minutes ahead of schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure all your personal belongings with you leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you and we'll look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Don Cabi, First Officer Ryan Ganaban, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and was issued with a safety infant life vest, please return it to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalapag lang po natin sa Daniel Z. Romualdez Airport. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang eroplano hindi pa ganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo na po ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan ng kayo mapagsilbihan at tinaasahan namin na muli tayo magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia, ni Kapitan Don Cabico, Una Opisyal Ryan Ganaban at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Para po sa mga pasaherong may kasamang sanggol at nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyari po lamang napakibalik ito sa mga cabin crew bago po sila bumaba. Maraming salamat po.
Yung back papas kasi ngayon ay pag-sweet parang nasa 5K, ay 5,000.